Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that will elevate your cooking game, the Elite Gourmet EG2313 PFAS-Free Ceramic Electric Skillet. We've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. This electric skillet is designed with a focus on safety and performance. One of its standout features is the PFAS-free Ceralast ceramic coating. Unlike traditional nonstick surfaces, this coating is free from PFAS and PTFE, which means you can cook with peace of mind knowing that harmful chemicals are not leaching into your food. Plus, the Ceralast coating is 4 times more durable than standard nonstick options, making it resistant to scratching and peeling. For best results, it's recommended to use wooden or silicone utensils to maintain that pristine surface. Another impressive feature of the Elite Gourmet skillet is its extra deep 3-inch sidewalls. This design minimizes splatter, allowing you to cook larger one-pan meals without the mess. Whether you're braising, steaming, or stir-frying, this skillet provides ample room for feeding 4 to 6 people, making it perfect for family dinners or gatherings. Temperature control is essential for cooking, and this skillet delivers with a removable thermostat probe that allows you to set the heat from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you want a gentle simmer for delicate sauces or a full sear for meats, the built-in indicator light ensures that your selected temperature is maintained throughout the cooking process, giving you consistent and even results every time. The tempered glass lid is another feature that enhances the cooking experience. It locks in moisture and allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, which not only adds convenience but also helps reduce any mess. Additionally, the cool touch knob and handles ensure your hands stay safe while maneuvering the skillet. One of the best aspects of this electric skillet is its ease of cleaning. Both the skillet and the lid are fully dishwasher-safe. Simply detach the temperature probe, and you can toss them right into the dishwasher. The heavy-duty cast aluminum body resists warping and corrosion, ensuring that it remains a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. So, who is this electric skillet suitable for? If you're a busy parent, a college student, or anyone who loves to meal prep, the Elite Gourmet EG2313